Welcome to 7-Minute Cash Craft, your go-to channel for mastering the art of financial success, one step at a time. I'm really glad you're here. At 7-Minute Cash Craft, we believe that building wealth doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. That's why every video is designed to deliver clear, actionable strategies in just 7 minutes, so you can learn, apply, and start seeing results quickly. Whether you're looking to boost your financial knowledge, explore new income opportunities, or take your wealth-building efforts to the next level, you'll find the tools and insights you need right here. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to success. What if I told you that you could become a millionaire faster than you ever imagined? No fluff, no nonsense, just a proven simple formula that you can start using today. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, while others seem to be crushing it financially? Well, it's time to stop dreaming and start doing. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share a step-by-step formula that has helped ordinary people just like you hit that $1 million mark. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about smart strategies, relentless focus, and taking action. If you're ready to make serious money and change your life, keep watching. The first step is where it all begins. Step 1. Develop a high-income skill. This is the game changer. Millionaires master a skill that people are willing to pay top dollar for. I'm talking about coding, digital marketing, sales, investing, you name it. You don't need years of experience. You just need to commit to becoming the best at something in high demand. The faster you get skilled up, the quicker you can start pulling in serious cash. Your time is valuable and knowledge is power. Don't wait. This is your first step to financial freedom. Step 2. Get into the habit of saving and live below your means. This is where most people go wrong. They make money but spend it just as fast. Millionaires think differently. They save aggressively and live frugally, especially in the beginning. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested or used to build your wealth. It's simple math. Spend less than you earn and save the difference. This creates a cushion that allows you to take bigger financial steps in the future. Step 3. Stay out of debt and invest in what works for you. Debt is a wealth killer, plain and simple. Stay out of it as much as possible, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Instead, take the money you save and invest it in ways that work for you. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business, the key is to make your money work for you. Investing is how you grow your wealth over time. But remember, it's not about following trends. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. Step 4. Start your own business. Want to accelerate your path to millionaire status? Start your own business. Many millionaires are self-made because they took the leap into entrepreneurship. Whether it's a side hustle or a full-time venture, owning a business gives you the potential to earn exponentially more than you would as an employee. A business allows you to scale your income, control your destiny, and build something that can continue to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. Step 5. Leverage networking, mentorship, and get professional advice. Finally, surround yourself with the right people. Leverage networking and mentorship to learn from those who have already made it. Millionaires know the value of professional advice. Whether it's from a financial advisor, a mentor, or even just being part of a mastermind group. Your network is your net worth. Getting professional advice helps you avoid mistakes and fast-tracks your success. Don't be afraid to invest in knowledge and relationships that can help you grow. So, there you have it. A simple formula to become a millionaire fast. Develop a high-income skill. Save and live below your means. Stay out of debt and invest wisely. Start your own business and leverage networking and professional advice. It's not easy, but with focus and dedication, it's absolutely possible. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember, your journey to $1 million starts with a single step, so start today.